Good afternoon, this is Rodolfo Conejo by United University, degree in a foreign language with emphasis in English. In this occasion, this is the topic number 8. Some question about Elon Musk. The first one is, what do you know about this millionaire man? Well, in the internet we can see different information about the millionaire Elon Musk. Most important is this man changed some things around the world because he's very influential. The second one is, what do you think about business and company? Well, his companies and business are so good. This man is more or less $2,000 million in his companies. The third, what is influence the character has in the world and the society? Well, as you can see, he's bought at the Twitter, a social network, and he's changed the mind of around the people. Well, what do you think it makes a lot of money? Well, as you can see, the money is on the street, what the people say. You can do something different for make money, but to make money good, it's all good. And the last one, what do you do if you were a millionaire? Well, I remember that song. If I have $1 million, if I have $1 million. Well, maybe I was very happy, and obviously I helped around multiple people that I want to do, especially my family. Thank you for listening to me. This is Rodolfo Conejo for tax number 8. And Elon Musk, great example for the humanity. Goodbye, my friends.